The Jewish Hospital 165th Anniversary Gala. So that took place this past weekend. I had the amazing opportunity to participate as a volunteer from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And I got to help make this event a reality, help make it possible. So I got there for the morning shift to help set up. So I'll take you through a couple of these pictures right here. All right, so first, here is kind of the flyer for the gala, or the I guess the program that each person had at the table. As you can see, it actually says 1855, celebrating 165 years, 1855 to 2020. I got to talk with the head lady, and she was like, this event was initially planned for 2020, but it ended up getting pushed back 2 years because of COVID. And she expressed just how thankful she was that it was finally happening. Because as you can see, it's Saturday, April 30th, 2022, and this was supposed to take place in 2020. She said it's been 4 years of planning. A lot of time has been put into this. So here's kind of a program, just a list of what's happening, master run of the show. I thought this was actually pretty crazy, that kind of put in perspective for me for event planning, that a lot goes into it. For example, the event didn't start. I don't think people started coming into the event. I want to say maybe like 4 or 5 or something. But as you can see right here, it says 8 to 8:30 is when people started coming in, when everything started happening. That's when audio comes to load in. And she has every single thing, what's going to happen, what needs to be there, everything listed out. So that way there's no room for error. And if something does happen, you can kind of have to think on the fly, but like everything is listed out to a T of what needs to happen, what needs to be there. All right. And I gotta say, she was really organized with this. So here we go. So here's a picture of Alyssa and Q. I'm actually right next to Alyssa. We were folding napkins. That was our first job of the day. So we started with folding napkins. And that was actually pretty cool. We had to fold 700 napkins, though. That was a bit tedious. It wasn't necessarily hard, but it was definitely long. But we started with folding napkins. And then from there, so here's a list of the ballroom, right? So this is the ballroom. As you can see in the middle right there, that is going to be the stage. And then all those tables around it, those are going to be where the tables are and everything. There's a couple different size tables. But so it's kind of color coded. So our second job was putting linens on the table. So it's color coded, and each table had a different linen, and you had to go around and figure out which linen or which tablecloth was supposed to go over it. And that was a job we were assigned, right? So I don't know if you can see, but those little blue dots, those are the ones Alyssa and I were doing. We were one team. And then from there, from the linens, now you can see the room right here. So as you can see, there's all those different linens on the tables, different colors, right, to really create that